What in the HE double fuck? What?
Winds could gust as high as 45 miles per hour. Areas affected include northwest Pocahontas, northwest Randolph, southeast Randolph, southeast Webster, and southeast Nicholas counties.
What is this
The
again?
hazardous weather can be expected from Thursday afternoon through Saturday evening. Impacts. The hazardous conditions could impact the Thursday evening and Friday morning commutes. Gusty wind could bring down tree branches and lead to power outages. Monitor the latest forecast for updates.
First alert on the Super Radio.
Additional information can be found at weather.gov Flash, as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages. Storm watch for the following counties: Southeast Nicholas, West Virginia. Issued at 1:28 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Winter storm watch in effect from Thursday afternoon through Saturday evening. Heavy snow accumulations possible. Winds could gust as high as 45 miles per hour. Areas affected include
First winter storm watch of the season.
northwest Randolph, southeast Randolph, southeast Webster, and southeast Nicholas counties. The hazardous weather can be expected from Thursday afternoon through Saturday evening. Impacts. The hazardous conditions could impact the Thursday evening and Friday morning commutes. Gusty wind could bring down tree branches and lead to power outages. Monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. Additional information can be found at weather.gov Flash, as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages. Can be found at weather.gov Flash, as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages.
800-230-2777 or biglou.com.
The new 98.7 The Mountain.
Okay. That was very, very unexpected. Heck yeah!